This strange-looking figure appears in the illustration to Book of the Dead spell 17. It is a long and complex spell mentioning many gods, some of them very obscure. The currently accepted view among Egyptologists is that the figure represents Medjed, whose name means the smiter. In the text of the spell we read, "I know the name of that smiter among them, who belongs to the house of Osiris, who shoots with his eye yet is unseen." The fact that only his eyes are shown while the rest of him, except his feet, is covered seems to fit this description. Unfortunately, nothing else is known about this god. John Taylor, Exhibit Curator, British Museum.